Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to start a very important topic that is called order list and unorder list. Okay, so for example, if you want to print your order list or unorder list, like your item in proper order or without order, and inshallah we will learn also the very important topic as for your PBA, especially that is called nested list. Okay, so we will learn inshallah this one also in this video. So let's start. First of all, we are just going to create a file name. So file name should be a meaningful, like order, unorder list, that kind of thing. Okay, so start with HTML. So HTML tag and then head tag, and within head tag we need title tag. Within title tag we need to put like site name, and especially we are just here want to use like title name as a like order list and unorder list name. Okay, so this is like simple like list example. Okay, so after that within body tag we need to use like our main topic we will cover inshallah, order list and unorder list. Okay, first of all I will use like comments. Okay, so this is comment. I already told this is the syntax of comment. So comments is only used for readability. Okay, so let's write here comment to start like order and unorder list. Okay, so let's put unorder list example here. So remember that whenever you are going to create order list, so we have a tag that is called OL. OL mean ordered list. Okay, so we need to open order list. Okay, and within order list we have to create like list li. So basically I just mentioned what is actually meant by OL. So here I need to put like comment. So in this comment I use this define. I have to define here, that is very useful for you. So OL tag, this tag is used for like whenever you are going to order something, or you need to order your items in a proper way. Okay, so at that time you need to use like this tag is used for order items, or yes, we can change this definition because this is very important. So let's change this one. This tag is used to represent order items. We can say represent items in proper order. Yes, this one is perfect. This tag is used to represent items in proper order. Okay, so remember li basically is a tag that is used to print the items. Okay, so remember that whenever you are going to print items, no matter you are going to print in order list or unorder list. Okay, so li is especially a general purpose. We can say li is a general purpose tag that will use in order list and unorder list tag. Okay, so within order list and unorder list tag we can use like we have to use li. Okay, so li basically is a list tag that we need to use to print the items. For example, let's say we are just going to create order list and we are just going to say here subject list. Okay, so for example we are going to create like subjects list. So at that time we need to put heading first of all like subject list. Okay, so I'm just going to put like h3 heading here, and let's say the items are computer. First subject is computer, and computer is like our first item. Okay, so second one is English and third one is math. Let's say we are just going to take 3 items. After that, this is called like this is all about like order list. Let's say we are just going to compile this program and then see. Okay, so you can clearly see this one is our heading and this one is our order list. So you can see in order 1 2 3, this is a proper order. So this is simply your order list. Within order list we have mentioned 3 items here. Now let's start to create unordered list. So for unordered list, you have to remember, we need to remember this tag like ul stand for unordered list. Okay, so let's take commit here. Okay, let's mention commit here again. So this tag is used to represent items without order. So like you need to no worry about any kind of order, it will represent in a bullets. So in your like different books, it's mentioned like numbering and bullets. Bullets is all about like unordered list and numbering is all about like order list. Okay, remember this one also. So let's take another heading. So this one let's take, okay, copy then paste here. Then I need to use here subject list, and then we will just say this is like favorite games. Okay, let's take an example unordered list. For unordered list, like favorite games. Okay, so let's change the items here. Let's change the items here. Li means list. We already discussed, because li is a general purpose tag that we will use in unordered list and like order list. No matter you are just going to create order list and unordered list, you have to use li. So how much you have items, you need to use li list. Okay, so here we have 3 different games. So yes, just refresh. Okay, you can clearly see this one is bullets. In bullets, like unordered, there is not like any kind of order, so this is called like unordered list. Got it? So next one is very important. This concept is very important for your PBA. So this one is all about like whenever you are talking about like nested list. Okay, so what actually means by nested list? This is very important concept. So simple is, a nested list is all about like, okay, so I need to put here the definition, like some kind of words that will help to understand what actually means by nested list. A list inside another list. Okay, so whenever we are talking about nested list, it's about like whenever we are talking about nested list, we are basically talking about a list within another list or inside another list. Okay, so let's take an example, or we are just going to create a nested list here. How we can create? Let's put heading here. For example, I am just going to use h4. Yes, we have to use like h2. For example, we are just going to take h2 heading, sorry. So now let's say subject only. Okay, subject, we need to put like heading here to better understanding. Okay, so after that order list, we are start with order list. In order list, first item is our first item, for example computer. Okay, so li list, and within li list we have to write our item. So this one is our order list, like first item of our order list. So be careful here. Next one is within order list, we are just going to create another unordered list. Okay, so remember that before going to end ol, we are going to start another list that is called unordered list. Okay, remember, don't confuse sorry, don't confuse here. You can use nested list, like within order list you can create another order list. Okay, so this is not like that. You are you can just only use unordered list within order list. Okay, you can create like multiple order list within another order list. So here I'm just going to create order list within like unordered list within order list. Okay, so unordered list within like unordered list, I have just mentioned like 3 items that is most important, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Basically it's our main topics that we will cover in this series. Okay, so this one is our 3 items. Okay, now done. After that I'm just going to mention another 2 items. So this one is our like inside list, or we can say like inside nested list, or this one is our like outer list, inner list. Yes, the good keyword is inner list. So UL is our inner list and OL is our outer list. So within outer list, first item was computer, and second item is English, and third item is math. Okay, so let's just save it, and then again we need to like refresh. Now you can clearly see this one is our first item of order list, and within first item we have unordered list, and these 3 different item like 2 and 3 you can see. So within order list we have created unordered list. So this is very important concept. I hope you like this video and share it with your friends. Okay.